Hello students, how are you? Fine. This is Professor Eslal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan right now. Today, once again I am with you with a new topic from the course Probability and Random Process. This course is equally important for the program of BTech CS, EC, BCA, MCA and others. Right now my target group is BCA 6th semester of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Students, it is my pleasure to share with you that a branch of mathematics that starts from the play of gamble by some gamblers. Now it is a major section, it is a tool, it is a backbone of information and communication technology, robot technology, hackings, information and communication, merchant engineering and other aspect of science and technology. You face so many circumstances where you find yourself with a very close to the concept of probability. Suppose your brother has given examination of UPSC, first of all, preliminary examination, and your mummy is asking to you that you guess that whether your brother will clear this UPSC PT examination or not. You plan to achieve something, you exercise for this aim also, but it becomes very difficult for you to guess about the outcomes for which you are trying for. So probability is what? What do you mean by probability theory? First of all, probability theory, then we shall talk about random process. It is a branch of mathematics, or you can say it is a branch of computing which deals with about happening of an event in advance and numerically. is said to be probability theory. Every day at 8 p.m. you sit before the television screen, and on Doordarshan, Prasar Bharati, you see All India News. At the end of news, another anchor appears before you on the screen. He or she explains very dramatically about information about weather of today, and then after some moment for coming tomorrow, and then for coming 2 days advance. You becomes much excited that how it is possible to forecast 2 days before advance that whether it will be a raining day or not, what will be the position of sea levels, what will be the position of ice on glaciers of Himalaya, what will be the speed of wind storm that will be crossing through the state capital Jaipur. These are some of the facts that can be explained with the help of probability. I am giving you another example. Suppose DRDO is constructing a launcher. Then the scientists of DRDO, how calculate that when they strike on a target, there will be more than 90% that this launcher will hit the target, and why there is not 100% possibility to hit the target. So probability is very much essential part of your engineering, even your science study. So one thing I would like to share with you also, that some gamblers started guessing about winning their game, and slowly this process become advanced one, and there was a learned mathematician whose name was A. Kolmogorov, who developed the empirical formula with the help of set theory for the study of probability theory. There are some terminology that should be learned by you, because unless and until you don't learn the basic terminology, it is not possible for you to know the fundamental of probability, and it is not possible for you to do the exercise and numericals of probability. So please note down what are the terminology. You have to be familiar with all these. In one number, please note. One by one I will be explaining also. Random process. In the beginning I told you probability and random process. So you note firstly random experiment or random process. it means I am trying to explain, or I am trying to define the term random process. A process which doesn't follow a certain mathematical rule. A process which doesn't follow a certain mathematical rule is said to be a random process or random experiment. It means what? What is the meaning of this line? I have used, if I say you that take a coin and toss it, and say me whether head will come, head of the coin will come or tail of coin will come. You can say that, sir, it is not sure that whether head will come or tail will come. So you are performing here an experiment. You are tossing a coin. This is an experiment, but you are not doing any forecasting that whether head will be coming or tail will be coming. Later on we shall say the probability of coming head or probability of coming tail are equal, and they are equal to 50-50. So I hope that you have got that what is random experiment. The next terminology to be used is sample space. Please note, repeating a particular experiment when the outcomes of the experiments are written in the form of a set, then the set, generally denoted by capital S, is said to be a sample space. And then there is a term event. What do you mean by event? I have told you that sample space is a set. So a set may have subset also. So every subset of a sample space is termed as event in probability theory. And event has also types on the basis of number of elements present in the events. So that is, simple event means event having one element, mixed event means event having more than one element, null event means event having no elements, means phi event, empty event, and mutually exclusive event means any elements are common between any two events. So students, today I hope that the initial discussion about probability has helped you to understand the basic of probability, or if you are knowing all these things, then it will be proved important for the revision of probability. Thank you very much. Thank you.